Yes, if you have a regular.
Wait a minute.
Oh, no, don't do that. Oh, yeah, he's doing this. Thanks.
I'm ready for one.
Oh, yes, could you
It's
get
good wine.
Could you get...
Yeah.
Is that a sponsor?
No? No.
It's just
so we
that's
don't
a choice.
Right, until they smell
That's a choice.
It is a choice.
I will say Puster's gave us a lovely bottle of rum, and then we
You know what?
used it a lot today.
I have to tell you that not only has Puster's given us rum, but Jamie's been here and he has been working his
I know.
tail off.
I know.
You know, because we've got a lot to do, being an off-site venue, and we're not at the club. So we have to, every morning, set it up, every night, tear it down. And it's long days.
I'm impressed. Jamie is a hard-working dude for
definitely.
for being the head honcho of a big company, and you know he's doing his thing. So if you don't know already, Liz Filter, Regatta Chair at the Melgus 24 Worlds. How are you, hon?
I'm doing well.
So we're a quarter of the way through here. How's it going?
It's going really well. My focus, of course, was opening ceremonies. You got to have that first impression, but then also the juniors and heroes. It was close, near and dear to my heart.
Now we filmed the whole thing and we put it online, and it was really cool. I mean, those kids were just awesome.
Right.
How did you pull that together?
I had a lot of people who understood the vision that I was trying to put. It all started, if you really want to know, I was a delegate, a U.S. sailing delegate to ISAF.
Yeah.
And one of the things they said is we need to make these regattas legacies. We need to use them for promoting our cities, helping our children, and I was like, I've got this little regatta that I'm putting together. I need to make the most of it, especially with all these rock stars. You've got all these celebrities, and so, you know, talking to Dick Franyo from Boatyard Bar and Grill, talking to National Sailing Hall of Fame and North Sails, they got it. And so we said, let's put it together, let's pull in these local kids, and you saw, it was racers, it was our little Opti kids, but it was also Box of Rain children.
It was more black sailors than I've seen in one place ever in my life.
We want to show...
That's awesome.
One of the things, as part of our mission statement, we want to show that sailing is accessible. It's accessible. We want to promote the resources that are the waterfront, the Chesapeake Bay, and so here was a chance to do it with all these celebrities, and so that's why we wanted to pull it all together. What I'm really grateful, though, is the sailors stepped up. I really, you know, they could have been like, well, what's this? I need to get home. I'm sailing in the worlds. I need to get a good night's sleep, and they didn't. Each one stayed. And we had the autograph signing and just the vibe of the entire night. Those parents, the sponsors, were so excited by what these sailors were able to do for us.
Well, I mean, you know what? Look, anyone who's running a regatta, just watch the video and do what Liz did. Get your kids out, get them into it, and it really dovetails with one of our sponsors, which is the book Saving Sailing.
Right, absolutely.
And a fascinating concept that focuses on the loss of the mentoring ideal that we've always had in sailing.
Right.
That's what this is.
And Lori Stout has the book and she's with Annapolis Community Boating, and as soon as the dust settles here, she's lending it to me. I said, I need it, I want to read it because
I'm almost done with mine. You can have mine.
Okay. I'm not ready to read it till November 1st.
Fair enough. Fair enough. And you guys who are watching, www.savingsailing.com is a Sailing Anarchy discount. Get the book. This is not a guy who's making money. He won't make money. If he sells 100,000 books, he won't make any money.
He has an important thing to say.
He has an important thing to say. He did this for love of the sport.
Right.
So congratulations to you for doing your thing for the love of the sport. And
thank you.
We're having a great time. And you know, look, you know my gripes. It's cold, rainy, and annoying. But the fact is, this is a top quality championship, and we're loving what you're doing.
Thank you.
Thank you, Liz.